Welcome back to Undecided Travels, guys. Today we're going to do Pack With Me Part 2, so toiletries as promised. Also, we will show you us just traveling, day one of our traveling. You don't get to see Amsterdam just yet, that is the next video, but you get to see us waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. All of my friends came to say goodbye to me, which was really lovely, and we had like just a little leaving gathering. It wasn't a big rave, it was just like maybe like 7 of like my closest friends just came to say goodbye to me, which was really nice, and one of my uncles.
Where we're going to, we'll see. Let's take a journey, let's be free. Undecided, but you'll be traveling right there alongside
me. Yes, that's shoes on my bed, but they're clean, they're like brand new shoes. I need to wash those bed sheets anyway, so we're good. I'm gonna do toiletries next. So I've got like a carryable toiletry bag for me to take into like the hostel washrooms and stuff, which I'm just not looking forward to the hostel washrooms. I don't know where to start. Okay, deodorant. So I use this cream deodorant because honestly it is a godsend. I literally put it everywhere because it helps you not to smell, obviously because it's deodorant, but also it's good for chafing. So during the summer I rub this like on my inner thigh, and it like, since I started using this, I don't chafe anymore. I could put it all in my creases to stop myself from smelling because nobody likes a stinky person. So I've got 2 of these. 2 of them are usually like, one usually lasts me quite a long time. They're quite like long lasting. I've never actually measured how long one lasts me, but I think 2 of them will last me the full 2 months, and if not, then I'll just have to buy deodorant when I'm out there. But what I usually do is I put deodorant on, I put my roll-on on, and then I top it up with a spray. So I'm gonna bring both, and I've got my glycolic acid as well. So what I do, I only need to cotton pads. What I use glycolic acid for is to help make me not smell. So I usually rub this on my armpits and then my creases, like, you know, like on my inner thighs. Because what it does, I don't know, I saw it on a TikTok once and it worked. It just helps you stay fresher for longer, basically. I don't know what it does, but it helps and I love using it, so we're packing it. I've got these decongestant wipes from Superdrug. They're like, they've got eucalyptus, tea tree and peppermint in them. I'm hoping that I can use them as body wipe, and I just think they'll be quite refreshing, and I smelt them and I rubbed them on my skin a bit earlier and it didn't like irritate me or anything, and they're made for your face. So I think if you can put something on your face, you can put it on the rest of your body. So in the bag they go. And I got a travel toothbrush. I hope it's a good toothbrush because I'm going to be using it for 2 months. So let's take it out the packet. Apparently I can't open a packet toothbrush. I'm just trying to imagine brushing my teeth with this.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's weird, but okay.
Are you not embarrassed?
And you close it. Oh, and it's got like a little air thing. I don't know if you can see that. So that it can dry, so there's no mold, which is quite handy. So in the bag. Now I have a moon cup, which I'm gonna go and sterilize, because you have to sterilize your moon cup every time you use it, but especially the first time you use it. If you know what a moon cup is, you know what a moon cup is. If not, it's basically like to replace tampon, and they're like reusable. And you wash it, you sterilize it, pop it back up your U-haul, pull it back out. Bob's your uncle. I don't know, I'm awkward, I'm sorry. In the bag. I also have this box of tampons, and the reason I'm gonna pack some is I like to have sneaky tampons hidden everywhere. Oh, I'm just dropping tampons everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 in my wash bag, 2 in my backpack, the big one, 2 in the little backpack, 1 in a tote bag and 1 in my bum bag, just in case, because I hate surprise periods. I try to track my periods now with my Fitbit, but I'm quite clumsy, so even if I know my period's coming, I still might not like actively take a tampon or my moon cup out with me. So I like to have them stashed away in secret places. Toothpaste, because you need toothpaste. I don't know. I got the whitening kind because I feel like since I started drinking coffee, I've recently become addicted to coffee. My teeth have gone a bit yellow, so I'm gonna try and do whitening while I'm away, and I've got this. These are wet ones. I'm going to put these in my backpack, and my first aid kit is going to go in my backpack as well. This is everything that's in the first aid kit. Knee support, And basically you just put it on your knee, because I have like the knees of an 8-year-old and I keep hurting my knees. It's really bad, so this will help support my knee while I'm away. Put this in the first aid kit. This is intense. So I wasn't expecting it to come in all like packaging. Let's hope we never have to use this little red bag. Can't close it. Boom. Dental floss, because we like to look after our teeth. And I bought a bar soap, and the smoke smells really good as well. Just because I feel like it would be better. It will last longer, and it's like smaller. I shouldn't smell that. Giving me an itchy nose. And I bought diarrhea relief tablets, because nobody needs diarrhea. Simple as. I need to get some more ibuprofen, because I've used basically all these tablets, but I will be packing ibuprofen. I've got 3 razors, but I don't think I'm gonna bring 3 razors. I feel like 1 is enough. If I need more, like, I'm gonna be in Europe. I'm not going to the middle of nowhere, and I'll be in like major cities at like every few days. I'm sure I can get razors. Maybe I'll pack 2 just in case. Lip gloss and mascara. It's a clumsy day. I don't want to take too much makeup. I just want to be like natural myself. So I'm going to take a lip gloss, mascara, and probably my favorite lip balm. My favorite lip balm is the Juvia's Place one. It's really good, and it looks like lip gloss but feels like lip balm, so it's my favorite. And it can go in the bag. I got like this wash stuff so I can hand wash my underwear while I'm out there, because even if like my clothes are gross and stinky, the last thing you need is like dirty underwear. So at the very minimum, I want all of my underwear always clean. Like at the minimum, that's the minimum. I'm gonna take with me my Pro Vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It's from Holland & Barrett. It's my favorite. It makes my skin literally glow. And I've got 1.5 of them, and I've got ceramide cream as well, because I get quite dry skin because I have dermatitis. I need a coffee. Exfoliating glove. We got there in the end. The only thing I'm worried about is if I use them and I don't have time to dry them, then it's gonna go a bit like but we'll see what happens. If worst comes to worst, they were only £1. I can leave them wherever. I'm gonna pack a face mask, I think, just for the bands, and that's my Toiletries bag.
A few moments later.
Completely lied. I completely forgot about my Nala's baby butter, my Nala's body lotion, and my Nala's nighttime oil. All of that is coming with me as well. I don't know how we're going to fit it all in the Toiletries bag, but we will be doing that. So some of my friends came to say goodbye to me before I left, because obviously I was going for 2 whole months. I was going to be gone on my birthday, so
See everything, man. I'm not in the dark. I'm turning my
3 hours later.
it's 3:30. Mum's about to... Sorry, Mum's talking to me. It's 3:30. We're about to go to the train station. Mum's gonna drive us. I got like an hour and a half of sleep, maybe 2 hours. And I wouldn't get that much sleep, but I wanted to get like a nap at least. And then train's at 6, and then I'll sleep on the train, I hope. That's blue milk.
She couldn't even tell me that she's filming.
Content.
Yeah, but I should have done my makeup or something.
It's 3 a.m. Oh. These are going in my backpack. I look like a crazy person. Oi, oi. I look like a crazy person. I look a little bit homeless.
Yeah, you do look a little bit homeless.
Never before have I been so offended by something I 100% agree with.
Apart from your face. That never looks on you.
Aww. I'm tired. I'm excited. It's gonna be weird, but good. I feel like I'm going on holiday, which I guess technically I am. So that's exciting. I get this thing now when I go away. Usually when I go to the airport, I get like, because on the airplane I always feel, I get like motion sickness. So the anticipation of getting to the airport usually makes me feel sick because I'm anticipating it, and it gives me like anxiety that makes me feel sick. And then when I get on the airplane it's worse. So I usually like I'm in the airport and I'm like anxious and gross and like feel like I'm gonna be sick because I'm so nervous. So I get like really bad airport anxiety, and I feel like I'm getting that now, even though I know it's not an airport, it's literally a train. Like I'm gonna be fine. I don't really get sick on trains. I don't think I've ever gotten sick on a train unless I'm like reading a book. So yeah, should be fine, right? Let's see. Let me see your bag. Okay, film mine. Hey. When we got to the train station, I saw like a family friend. She's really lovely. She works for Eurostar, so she bumped us up to first class. Hi, we're on the train. Aisha's gassed.
What else is there to say, mate? Sorry.
Why you gonna make it awkward?
I'm sorry. So I'm learning. I'm practicing.
Yeah.
Okay. You're just filming for long. Like.
Yeah, that's how it works. We're vlogging.
Why don't you show them the view
Of what, the train?
of the first class?
Oh. I thought you meant the train, like out there.
Look at what the chair does. I can't do it. Oh,
Pull and slide, babes.
there we go.
Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. Next week will be day 1 of Amsterdam. We'll show you all around Amsterdam and everything we did. And yeah, come back and join us.